Another box arrived. Let's see what we've got in here. This will be the first time I've seen this as well. I've only seen the photographs. It's been set on a shelf in a box for 2 weeks. Let's see what we got. See what we got. I know it's an old one. Too much newspaper. Oh dear. This one's definitely a project, I know that. I bought it because this type I've never had before. So, there's nothing else in there. So we'll get rid of that box. Nothing else in there. Yeah, never had one like this before. I don't think there's too many about. Get rid of a bit of paper. And it's definitely needs work. Yeah. There you go. What about that? What about that? I've never had one with a boiler house like that. Needs, well, it's in the right state, isn't it? Oh, seized. What have we got in here? Dull. Well, it's not seized. It's in a bit of a state. Look. Dear, dear, dear. God, looks like it's been left out. What have we got in here? Some accessories. That might help. Oh, it's the well, it's a sight glass. Well, glass is broke, but at least we got the screws and the little cover. Yeah, so that's doable. That screw looks like to me that's snapped off. So I wouldn't mind betting that the other half's in there still, because that screw is 3 times the length. Let's put them to the side. Let's have a look. Yeah, there it is. Look. Another job, so that'll be a drill out job. What have we got in here? I wonder if we've got a... Yeah, no burner. No burner. Actually works. So, mystery job. I think they're a Dole, I think it's a 3873. 387-3. That would probably go in there. Looks like that's snapped off as well, eh? I think they normally screw in. That's bent. Yeah, not good. Not good. Well, this is just my unboxing video, really. I'll have to check that boiler, because the rest of it's in such a bad condition. I won't mind betting the boiler's got a crack with it or something. Yeah, piston seized. Really gunky. The only good thing about something like this is when you're finished, you can see such a transformation that it was worth the effort. There's something. Don't know what goes in there. Probably a pressure gauge. No safety valve. That's a safety valve. Probably be a pressure gauge. I'll have to take it all apart and have a look. So, but it's been on the bench for, it's been up on the shelf for a couple of weeks in a box. So it's the first time I've seen it. I don't know if there's any numbers or anything underneath. Can't see any numbers under there. But yeah, I think it is a 387-3. And I think they come in different heights. I think the other ones, I don't know if this is the smaller one or the bigger one. This is probably the smaller one. I think the other one's just a little bit bigger. Needs a chimney. Oh dear, yes, it's in a mess. Look at that. Shame really. Yeah, I mean, that's definitely broke off in there. That's even worse because it's so tiny. That little tiny screw. I think they're 2.5mm. I think they're 2.5mm. So it needs a tiny little drill to get it out without damaging the original thread. But we'll give it a go. Yeah, that wants soaking. Surprising, some things actually still working. Steam regulator. I quite like them when they've got steam regulator. You can see the colours. Black with sort of a light red or orangey stripe around. Top would have been the same. This will be one that I'll just paint because it's such a bad condition. There's no saving it. It's not a case of just washing it and save the patina. I'll paint this one and do it properly because yeah, it's not a patina job, is it? Like some of the others. What do you think? Now I'm going to save it. There's spare parts needed for this. And it's got a slip eccentric, so it runs both ways. You can see that. No, you can't see it. Yeah, slip eccentric. So it will run in both directions. That's an unusual shape to the top of the flywheel stand, isn't it? It's an unusual shape. I think these are around about, I think they're 1920, late 20s, like 1920s. So another one, 100 years old. They seem to make a lot of the machines 100 years ago because half of what I got is over 100 years old. Anyway, I'll leave that one there for now. I'll do a few close-ups and I'll come back to that when I've got through a few of my other projects. But yeah, look, I might have a spare one of them actually. The arm, that's the arm for the lead weight safety valve. So that needs sorting. But to get it to run, I might have to borrow one off one of the other dolls. So look, that's nice and that's unbelievable, isn't it? It's nice and loose, that thread. Yeah, everything else is solid. Well, that one's all right. That's all right, but this is solid. That screw obviously snapped off in there. So yeah, watch this space with this one. I've seen the pictures of them online. I've only found them online on 2 different websites. One of them, the pictures is so small and it's more or less grainy. I can't really make it out. And the other one has got really nice pictures, and it looks like a nice machine. It's unusual. That's why I bought it. Really, it's unusual. Not that I needed the work. I definitely don't need the extra work, but it came with it. So I'll give it a bash, and probably be a couple of weeks before I come back to this one. But yeah, let's watch this space because it will look lovely when it's finished. It's another bit of heritage, you know. Yeah, I think it's the smaller one of the 2. But I don't think they made them for very long, so presumably they didn't sell very well. It's normally the case that they don't make them for long. Well, I'll leave that there, guys, and watch this space, and I'll see what I can do with it. Cheers.